Hey guys, this is lesson 4.4, subtraction, reinforcing the think addition strategy with count on facts. Reese went to the store with 10 coins in his pocket. Seven of them were quarters and the rest were pennies. How many pennies did he have? So first we want to think about what information in the story helps you figure out the answer and what information does not help. So do we really need to know what kind of coins these are? I don't think so, because we're not counting up how much money he has. We just want to know how many he has. So we have 7 quarters. The rest of the coins are pennies. How many pennies did he have? And we know that we have a total of 10. So that's important information there. So 10 is our total. 7 of them are quarters, and that's what we have right over here. So here's 7, and we can count on or think addition to solve this. We're going to count on from 7 to 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. That tells us that he had 3 pennies. Okay. What addition facts could you write to match the story? We could write 7 plus 3 equals 10. We could use the turnaround fact of that and write 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then we could also write 2 subtraction facts, starting with 10, starting with the larger number, the largest number. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and 10 minus 3 equals 7. There is the fact family of 7, 3, and 10. Those numbers are in each equation. And down here, write 2 subtraction facts to match each domino. So here at the top of each problem, you're given a total. So we have 7 dots in total on the domino, but only 2 are shown. So we know that 7 is our total. Whatever that total is going to be the first number in both of these equations. On all of these problems, you're given that total, 10, 6, 9, 12, and 11. Those are the totals. That's the first number that needs to go in each equation because it's the largest number involved. So we have 7 and 2 that we know of, and then we have an amount here that we don't know. So I'm going to put 7 minus 2, but we're going to count on to figure this out. We're going to start at 2 and count up to 7. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I added 5 dots to 2 to get to 7. So 7 minus 2 must equal 5. And 7 minus 5 must equal 2. Let's do one more of those together. Let's go down and do letter E. 12 dots in total. So 12 is going to be the largest number, and it goes at the beginning of each equation. And we have 9 here, 3, 6, 9. So 12 minus 9 is going to equal something here, and 12 minus that missing number is going to equal 9. Here we're going to start at 9, and we're going to count up to 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12. We counted up 3. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. 12 minus 3 equals 9. And on the next page, we have some story problems. Write a subtraction fact to match each problem. Use a question mark to show the unknown amount. This says you do not need to solve the problem. I want you guys to solve it. Okay, challenge yourself. Letter A, there were 8 DVDs. I took some and there were 5 left. How many DVDs did I take? So we know that 8 is our total. I took some, we don't know how many, and there were 5 left. Okay, I want you guys to figure that out. And I'm going to read the rest, but I want you to do the rest on your own. Letter B, a cup has 4 ice cubes in it. 2 of the ice cubes melt completely. How many are left? C, 12 shells are on the beach. 9 are whole and the rest are broken. How many are broken? D, there are 2 more apples than oranges. There are 7 apples. How many oranges are there? This one's a little tricky. 7 is that total there, so you're going to put 7 here. Number 3, solve each problem and show your thinking. A, Ruth bought some seedlings. She planted 2 of them. Then there were 5 left. How many seedlings did she buy? So use this space. You can write an equation. You could draw a picture to figure it out. You could do both, however you want. And then the answer is going to go here. For B, 12 berries are on a plate. Maka takes 10 of them, then puts 3 back. How many berries are left on the plate? And here's where you put your answer, and here's your space to show your work. And the step ahead, solve the problem. Show your thinking on page 156. Remember, we talked about how page 156 is workspace. It's blank pages for you to do lots of work on. Selena gets an allowance of $2 every week. Ruben gets $1 one week and $3 the next week. He gets an allowance in the same way every 2 weeks. Who will have more money after 7 weeks? So there's a lot of steps to this one, and if you really want to try it, I can work with you to try and figure it out, okay? All right, have fun, guys. Pause.